कुछ नहीं दे रहे हैं।
तुम CFA दे रहे थे ना?
मैं हाँ वो भी अब नहीं दे रहा मैं नहीं दे रहा हूँ दिसंबर में दे रहा हूँ। As a career,
I really want to make a vlog about accountancy. हाँ चलो let's start. So चलो tell me Amina, तुम यहाँ पे आई, you came here to study masters, correct?
Yeah.
तो अभी आगे
Can I
बताओ.
talk?
Yeah, now you can talk.
Okay, no, camera makes me very conscious. I just can't do it.
अच्छा चलो, there is no camera. Talk to me. Yeah, talk to me.
तो हम ऑडियंस में नहीं है बाकी
चलो, now we are preparing Amina to give a vlog about ACCA. She is doing her accountancy exams right now. किसी को पढ़ाई की बात नहीं करनी है. Today is a Friday night and no one, everyone is exhausted from their work. No one want to talk about studies, but
And how much help?
ठीक है चलो फोटो.
Let's go camera.
दीपक चौरसिया
मैं इंटरव्यू ले रहा हूँ. Amina.
Okay, faces.
What?
But it's better.
एंगल्स भाई
Amina.
लड़की का चक्कर कोई नहीं
I
समझे
am coming to I put feature proper wala.
चलो, thank you so much for featuring in our talk
Get
show.
out.
अरे हाँ
Get
नहीं आ
out.
सकते हो.
अरे we are not staying here
But
No,
don't talk,
no,
don't
don't
talk.
sit here too. We'll be sitting here.
हाँ खोल लो.
नहीं इनको बैकग्राउंड बंद हो गया
No, you can't
नहीं,
sit
नहीं,
here. So you have
चालू
to
होगा.
Let the background be empty.
First of all, thank you so much
No
for
problem.
coming in my show. We have a little talk show tonight to talk about ACCA exams and the career in accountancy in Ireland. So Amina is the big example. She came with me in 2017 to study Masters in Finance from Trinity. And just after 1 year, she was the first one to get a job. So what did you do differently to get a job? And yeah, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let's start with I did my bachelor's in accounting and finance.
Okay.
So that
From which college in Bombay?
yeah, in Bombay from KC
Okay.
College, and that really helped me knowing the basics of my accounts.
Okay.
So that helped. And then when I got the job, it was an accountant. I'm an assistant accountant, and they offered me I either do ACCA or ACA. But since ACCA is more internationally recognized and their exams are more flexible, it makes it much better.
Okay.
Because ACA is like Indian CA, in which you have 4 exams together once in a year.
Okay.
And if you fail one of those, you give the whole batch again.
Okay.
But in
But-
ACCA, we're given the flexibility of giving how many exams you want 4 times a year. I can't do it. Did you hear
Okay.
him?
Second cut. Come on. हाँ तो continue.
Okay.
Continue.
So, where was I? So, so ACCA has 13 exams in total, in which we have 3 different kind of levels. The first is the basic levels, which is 4 papers. Then the next 5 are the foundation levels, and the next 4 are the professional levels.
Okay.
Okay, so since I did my bachelor's in accounting and finance, I had exemptions for the first 4 papers. And then I cleared my next foundation levels. And now I only have 3 papers to go, which are my professional levels, to become a complete accountant.
Okay.
For ACCA, you have to finish 3 years of work experience in an accounting body recognized and clear all 13 papers. So I'm almost on the way to finish that.
And how difficult is it to give your exams and then to work at the same
It
time,
is
because
tough.
you manage
It
very
is
well?
difficult. I won't say it's easy. It's not a cakewalk at all, but
Yeah.
it takes lots of work.
Because I remember sometimes you used to skip some of the parties that we used to
Yeah.
do just because she have to go to library in the next morning. And
Or
she
I had
don't-
class, yeah.
Yeah.
So no, it takes, of course, it takes a sacrifice. You can't have both.
But
So-
in 1 year, how many exams did you clear? So initially, I had 4 exemptions.
Yeah.
And within 1 year, I think she already passed 6 exams, right?
Yeah, so I started working in 2018, and then I gave my first exam December 2018. And after that, I didn't clear my first exam because I took it very lightly, thinking it's just basic accounts and I clear that. But after that, in 1 year, I finished 5 papers.
Okay.
Yeah, I gave them back to back. But I did take classes, so that really helps. I
Bro,
did take
तुम भी clap करो
classes.
थोड़ा.
So no, I don't think it's impossible when you're working. It just takes a lot of hard work to put together everything. Because when I take and also my office pays for my classes.
Okay, your office
Yeah,
pays for your classes,
my classes
and your
and my
tuition fees for
exams,
that.
exactly.
Okay.
So I had classes after office twice a week. So it takes a lot of work, but
Okay.
yeah, if you put it together.
And if you once you become a qualified accountant, what are the job scenarios?
Oh, there's plenty. Like even once I'm part qualified, you have a
So
lot
part
of
qualified
different,
is
yeah.
9 exams.
Yeah,
right?
your first 9 exams when you
Okay.
finish your basic and your foundation level. So you're only left with your professional.
Okay.
So yeah, after you clear your and you become part qualified, yeah, you have a lot of job scenarios.
Okay. And what would be the package people can
It
expect after becoming a part
depends.
qualified and a part fully
It-
qualified?
You could say about 35,000
For a part
euro, yeah,
qualified.
for a part qualified.
Okay, and once you become a fully qualified, I've heard it's around 60,000.
Yeah, it did 60 when you have a good amount of work experience. But for starters, like if I just have 3 years, it should be around 40-45, which is a good package.
Yeah, which is a great package actually.
So yeah, and with ACCA in our professional levels, we have 2 compulsory subjects and we have 4 which we can choose from.
Okay.
So in which we have advanced to audit and advanced tax. We have advanced audit and advanced tax, and we have advanced financial management and advanced professional performance management.
Okay.
So when you do professional audit and tax, right, you are more based as an accountant, which you only get jobs for audit and tax as an accountant in the future. But if you do your professional in accounting and finance, financial management and performance management, it is more industry based.
Okay.
So you're not basically an accountant, but you can do most of the job. You can also do an accountant job and a finance job. So it's more broadened as a horizon.
Right. So if you want to go into the fund accounting or a financial accounting
yes, you
or
can
a management
with an
accounting,
ACCA, yes.
Yeah, with the ACCA is a big umbrella under which all these different jobs.
Yeah,
comes, right?
exactly. That's why it's more flexible.
And
you can choose to give your exams, and once you register for ACCA, you are given 10 years in which you can finish your ACCA.
Okay.
So you can take a nice break and then go back to it.
All right. And
Yeah.
one more thing, like if you want to progress in your career, is it very important to become an accountant if you're working in the finance side of things?
It is better
Yeah.
because after you get a job, if you don't study ahead, there is not much of a growth.
Right.
With ACCA, yeah, you can have different branches. You can branch out. It is much better.
Like I believe in your company, your manager and everyone in the
Yeah.
senior position would be
My
an
full
ACCA.
team, yes, my full team is an ACA.
And now you are a qualified,
Yes, thank
part
you.
qualified
Yes,
accountant.
thank you. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for your time, Amina.
It was
Hopefully.
very nice to help, and yeah, for the whole.
Yeah, and
information
I'm sure
ACCA.
some people will have some other doubts, so I'll make sure that she
I can
will
help
answer.
out,
Yeah,
yeah.
she'll get in touch with you and answer all your questions. Thank you so much. So Amina forgot to tell one thing about this ACCA. Amina, go on.
So ACCA is more globally recognized. So with that, it has more job offers in UK, in Ireland and stuff. But ACA is more like how we have Indian CA, which
Right.
is only Indian recognized.
Right.
ACA is only Ireland recognized.
So
So,
if
it doesn't
you-
have
if you-
much scope in UK.
All right, and I have one more question. So if a person is a qualified CA in India and they want to come here,
They
will-
get 9 exemptions.
So they will be a
only
part
have-
qualified.
Yeah, they only have to give their PE level, their professionals.
and that would be 4 exams again.
Yes.
All right, and that's it for now. If you have any other questions, please let me know, and then I'll grab her again.